So for the front of the T9 car, we're gonna start a new component, T9 front. Oof, didn't let me name it. That's okay, I can go back and name it later. So for the T9 front, I'm going to start by making a sketch right here. And I'm going to draw a line from the base. It's not letting me grab the base, so I'm going to project this point and this point. I'm going to start by making a line from here to here, and then I'm going to make a line 1.3 in this direction. Then we're going to make a series of arced drawings. So we're going to make a 3-point arc to here with a diameter of 0.3, and that arc from here to here is 1.6, very close to what it should be. And hold on. And the height of that arc is we'll get back to the height of the arc because we're going to go to the top for the next one. We're going to do an arc from here to here. And just throwing some dimensions on this arc, it has a radius of 2.337, and the distance from here to here is 1.15. Anything else I got to put on there? No. I'm going to do an arc from here to here with a radius of 2.995. Oof, very tall. And the height of this from here to here should only be 0.607. And the distance from here to here, oh, come on, go up or down? Up. The distance from here to here, it's not letting me do that one. It'll over constrain the drawing. I do have to do this one. This distance should be 0.3. So that's good. And then I really just have to connect these. Now, before I connect them, I'm going to go the distance to here to here. That should be 0.388. Distance from here to here. This distance, and I might have to delete one of the dimensions to make this one work. But this should be 257.257. Okay, there we go. Now with that in there, I am going to draw my last arc. And this arc right here, I'm not going to do anything special. I'm going to go here and I'm going to say make these tangent and make these tangent. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a sharp front there. And that's what we're going to have to live with. So we're going to hit finish sketch. And we're going to extrude this negative 3.17. And we're going to fill it all around this 1, 2, 1, 2, 0.3. And it does a good job. Okay. So next we're going to make a sketch on the inside face here. And I actually want to project the geometry here. I'll just go around and grab all of this. And hit finish sketch. and I'm going to go to extrude. If I turn these off, I'm going to pick that to extrude, and we're going to extrude in, what are we going to extrude in? It's a great question. .57. Okay. Now, we have to create a work plane. We're going to create on the back. Oh, no, not a sketch. We want to create a work plane first. And we want it to go negative 1.57. And we want to make a sketch on that. I'm going to make a sketch on that. And I'm going to project some geometry here. I'm going to project this edge and the top edge and this edge. I think I can do all of it. And we're going to do some points. I'm going to put 4 points in, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to dimension. The first point from the top edge is 0.180. They should all be on that same vertical, so after I do the first one, I'm going to get them all on the same vertical, so they're all on the same vertical. And then I am going to dimension them. Oops, I didn't want that. I want them to be, so the first one should be 0.31 from the edge, and the second one should be 0.27 from the first one, and then it's the same procedure over here. .27. Okay. And hit finish sketch. I'm going to use the whole tool. I'm going to select all 4 of these. Make sure they're the points. And ooh, it doesn't seem to want to cooperate. Let's hit cancel again. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a target body there, am I correct? Yes. And we're gonna hit cut. Cut, 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 cut. I'm gonna go to this way. I'm gonna give this one more shot, and if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna draw circles and do it. But this should take care of it if we just go this way. But for whatever reason, it is not cooperating. So I'm just gonna go back, I'm gonna draw circles. Let's see, what diameter do I want? We want circles that are 0.2. So we'll go about it this way. 0.2, circle, 0.2, circle, dimension, 0.2, circle, 0.2, hit finish sketch, extrude, grab all of the circles. You could even delete that original sketch if you feel it in the way. And now we're going to cut in a full inch. All right. And there you go. That looks great. And then on the side, we're going to make the point for the, let's give me some dimensions here. This should be 0.3, this is 0.5. And hit finish. I'm gonna do a hole. And yeah, we're gonna go in 0.35. And then we're just gonna create a plane. -317 divided by 2. And I'm gonna mirror this. I'm gonna mirror this with that mirror plane, and I'm gonna click OK, and that looks great. And I'm gonna go to physical material, and I'm gonna do the oak wood right there, close. And that did not appear to color my object the right color. I'm gonna turn off that plane, and what is it saying? Okay, so I guess it has temporarily disabled my color cycling. But as long as I go to properties and it says that it's wood, we'll get all the same information, so that's fine. So this is the T9 front.